Hi, I'm Eric Trempe. I'm the owner of the Slide Diver. I've been fishing out of Sheboygan, Wisconsin as a first mate on a charter boat since 1985. Recently I've acquired the Slide Diver. I work for the gentleman that patented the Slide Diver for 27 years, and today I'd like to tell you a little bit about it. The Slide Diver is a diving planer. As you troll, pressure of the water pulls the Slide Diver down and out to the side if you'd like. Therefore, we can target a specific depth for fishing. What makes our diver unique over all the other ones is the fact that our line slides. We're not tied to the diver. We have the patents on that technology. Because our line slides, we can let out as long of the lead as you want, lock the Slide Diver in, and that's where it stays. So I can have really long leads for fishing. When the fish hits, the Slide Diver trips, slides down to a barrel swivel, and I have a nice short lead for netting fish. Another big advantage with the Slide Diver is because we do slide through the line, you no longer fight the diver. You fight through the diver directly to your fishing pole. Therefore, no rubber snubber or shock absorber is needed on your line. The Slide Diver tracks by rotating the weight on the bottom. This weight turns so that you can go to the side. You can go way out to the side and fish really shallow. You can center the weight on the bottom, so therefore you can fish straight down as well. In 2009, we patented this arm on the back. That's our light bite arm. With conventional divers on the market, when a fish hits, you have to trip your diver. With the Slide Diver light bite, you simply loop the line in there, and when a fish hits, it tugs on the back and trips your diver for you. Therefore, there is no more having to trip your Slide Diver. It's guaranteed to trip every time you get a fish on. Whether you get a small fish, whether you're out fishing for walleye and you pick up a perch, it'll trip for you. Whether you pick up weeds, it'll trip for you every time. And no more having to trip your diver. We make several accessories for the Slide Diver to help you get deeper. The standard Slide Diver will get you down about 40 feet. You add on our ultimate accessory kit, which is a large ring and a 7-ounce weight. The Slide Diver will get all the way down to 130 feet using braided line. The Slide Diver can be used for almost all species that you control for. Whether you're fishing saltwater or freshwater, you can fish bluegill, walleye, crappie, salmon, trout, stripers, and muskie work really well with the Slide Diver. Just recently, the Vermont state record brown trout was caught out of Lake Champlain on a Slide Diver light bite. The Slide Diver can be used on any boat, from very small boats to very large boats, because you don't need a big boat, you don't need large tackle to pull the Slide Diver, so you can use it on any size boat, and it's a great economical way to get into sport fishing trolling. This rig right here is my Lake Michigan tackle. This is a Daiwa level line counter reel, a 10-foot ugly stick, 50-pound Power Pro. I like the Power Pro Super Braid because it doesn't have any memory and it does not stretch, so I can run it really deep and still get really good trips of the diver when I'm fishing deep. The Power Pro is run through the tip of the diver, through the front arm. It runs underneath the base of the arm, through a piece of rubber surgical tubing, underneath the jaws and out the back of the diver. That way when it's pulled tight, it's a straight line through the diver. When the Slide Diver is loaded, the arm locks down on a piece of rubber surgical tubing, thereby holding your line without doing any damage to your fishing line. On our website, www.slidediver.com, we have some great instructional video, everything from how to rig up a Slide Diver, to how to put them in the water, to different fishing methods. You can also purchase Slide Divers on slidediver.com. Or by all means, you can go to any of your favorite tackle shops, purchase them there, and if they don't have it, talk to them, and they can call me and purchase right directly from slidediver.com.
Now with 100 plus episodes. For $6, get the best online wild game cooking show you will ever find. Visit www.vimeo.com/on-demand/cookingwildgame.